Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be doing the mealtime. And then after the mealtime, I'll pick the winners for the giveaway. But let's get started. So here, Red Panda 072. LOL. That's nice. Let's be buddies. Wait, do I have enough buddy space? Yes, actually, I can buddy you. Okay. Wolfie Cat. Hi, please gift back flower or friend request. Oh, rare scary hat. That's nice. Please. Okay, I'll gift you back and send you. Well, that's nice. Okay, apparently I can't. I don't know why AJ does this to me, but I can't, chat. That's just sad. But thank you. It's time I give away this. Oh, elf helmet. That's nice. Thank you so much. I'll gift you back after this. Have a nice day. Freedom fairy wings. Yes, I love those. And I feel like my voice has gotten worse because I just woke up and, yeah. So it's much deeper now. Rare flag. Oh, thank you. I just sup. I think she means subscribe. Whoa, that's cool. Okay, I don't know. I'm just so excited because. Hi. Hi there. And you're actually my buddy. That's nice. Mockingjay. Oh, that's a pretty cool username. Enjoy the gift. Please buddy me. A necklace. Yes, that's beautiful. Please give back. Okay, I will tomorrow because, my chat, I just don't like that. Unless I can just try to. Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? Yes, I can. I will give you my dragon wings, cause yeah, why not? Oh, the lag. Okay, come on, just work. Yes, I do. Yes, just please work right now. There you go. Enjoy that. If you will, you will gift me. Okay. Gift back. Rare. Oh, okay. Okay. Oof. Okay. Come on. Animal Jam, I don't know why you do this to me, but okay. I could gift you this necklace. Just kidding, guys. I'm not gonna gift any necklaces. What do I have? Yo, I'm just gonna gift this feather mask, okay? Yes, it's beautiful. Animal Jam, stop lagging. Here you go. Okay, this is super hard. Let's be buddies, yeah? Yes, sure, why not? Hello, Animal Jam rocks. Yes, it does rock. Hi, world. Hello. Oh, a necklace. Yes, that's spicy. What for gold bunny? I don't have a gold bunny, I'm sorry. Give me back, please. Rare mech angel wings. Okay. Blue tail. Oh, that's a pretty cool username. Okay, I will gift you my other feather mask, actually. My grandma's singing again, so... Oh well. A watch. Okay, I will gift you a watch. Okay. Yes, I will gift you the watch. Oh, it's okay. Rip, okay. Animaljam rocks. Yes, it does rock. Friendship rocker here. That's cool. Like, yeah. I'm sorry if I don't sound excited, but I am really excited. Thank you, everyone who gifted me. I worked forever for this. It took me 3 years. Hope you enjoy it. Oh, AJ won't load. Okay, I'm gonna refresh. Oh, a ribbon scarf. And now just did right when I refreshed. That's nice. Okay, let me go back to where I just started. Come on, AJ. Yeah. That's nice. What's with the green foxes? I don't know, guys, but, okay. So, let's see. I am trying to get to my den, but I can't. There we go. I made it. My den is just so green, apparently. Okay. Anyways, let's just go over here. Oh, okay, my den came in. I meant not my den came in. What am I saying? Photograph. Oh, hi there. Hi. Have a nice day. Oh, she's my buddy. I'm so sorry I can't talk right now. Hopefully you see this vid, because I can't. My chat has been disabled. I'm sorry. Yes, have a nice day. I will have a nice day. I'm pretty sure I read all these. Yes, thank you for the ribbon scarf. It's beautiful. Hello. Oh, a reindeer mask. Hi. What's up? The sky. Yes. Animaljam rocks. Yes, it does rock. XD. Yes. Okay. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Here, something back. Oh, gazelle horns. Yes, I love those. Okay, time to gift back. I can't talk. I'm sorry, guys. My throat is hurting right now. Oh well. I've got a lot of necklaces today. That's nice. Gift you these fairy wings, cause I had a bunch of those. Come on. Yes, there we go. Freedom fairy wing. I don't think that's how you spell fairy, but okay. Whatever, animaljam. Okay. I don't think this is gonna send, is it? Okay. There you go. New jammer. Oh, spilled flower bucket. Yes, that would go beautiful in my den. Animaljam rocks. What armor is that? Oh, you could get this at Belush, at the ancient thingy mabob. I don't know. Have a great day. I love your vids. Also send me back, please. Send me back. Oh, what? Okay, so should I just mail this back? I'm just kidding. I know what she means, but yeah. I can give you. What do I? Oh, I can. Wait. As it just lags. That's what I hate. Oh my gosh. She's singing again. That's nice. Oh, yes. Great singing. I can gift you my other, feather mask because I don't know. Okay, yes, this is nice. I'm gonna have to speed things up, so I can't, like, when I'm saying I'm gonna gift the feather mask, I can't because, like, it's just so hard. and I had to do this video. I don't want to, oh my gosh, stop singing. But, I can't do this video that long, only like for 15 minutes, but it's already been like 10 minutes and stuff. Okay, I have to do this fast. Star Cape. Oh, oh, Book of Spells. Yes, that's beautiful. Thank you. Hi, fishes. Oh, yes, fishes rock. Falling confetti. That's very beautiful because it's all colorful. Animaljam rocks. Yes, Sir Gilbert couch. Wow, I never seen that before. Actually, that's cool. Okay. Animaljam rocks. Bunny firework. Yes, Animaljam does rock again. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this whack fast. Yes, Animaljam rocks. Be my buddy. Okay. Right friendship. Okay, that's just buddy. What? Wait, what did it say? Oh, that's, I'm sorry, but you're not accepting. Sorry, I had an extra. A necklace. Yes, I knew it. Okay, my grandma's singing. Oh well, who cares? Goodbye. Oh, goodbye. Okay, please tell me you didn't quit. I really like your outfit. Wow, thanks. Creepy bone candles. Whoa, that is scary. Maybe buddy me. I like your vids. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're not accepting. I already tried. You're not accepting. Sheep lamp. Yes, that's beautiful. Sorry for cringy postcard. Oh, spiked collar. Wow. Thank you so much, Sally. Egyptian Sphinx. I don't know how to say that, but thank you. Have a nice day. Yes, I am having a nice, oh, sink. Yes, a water fountain. What? Sink? I don't know, guys. Oh my god, wait. Wait. Oh my, okay, I have to buddy you and send you something back like, are you serious? Respite. I'm not joking. What is this madness right now? I'm sorry, guys. I am just so surprised she gifted that. Thank you. Yes, I could gift you this slingshot. If I could get to it. Come on, I can't do this video in very long. Oh my god, yes. There we go. There. Have it. Okay, take it. I can't do this right now. Hurry up, Animaljam. I am getting mad at this lag. Stop this madness right now. Okay. Golden Paw. Shout out to Golden Paw for that. Like, thank you. And also, shout out to my other friends who gifted me, which is very nice of them. Like, yeah. Gosh, Animaljam, stop it. Stop. You are driving me crazy right now. Like, I'm not joking. Just go. Just load. Please load. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video right now because I'm running out of time and I wanted to get through this fast. Yes, I can now send it. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Like, hurry up. By the way, this video might pause on its own, so I'm sorry. Then I'll do another mail time because, like, I might not, get, to it. Yes, finally. Okay. I only have 15 left. No, I think I have more than that. I can't do this right now. Animaljam, what are you doing? Oh my god, I think it's glitching out. I'm sorry, guys. I can't deal with this.